Here is a quick overview of your NutriChef Precision Cooker. Your device will come with a manual that has troubleshooting and cleaning instructions. After filling up a pot or pan with water, place your device inside the pot and attach it to the side, like so. Once attached, hold your finger over the power button for 5 seconds to turn it on. Use the set button to set the temperature and time that you wish to cook. Once your settings are set, press the power button again to start. When the product is done cooking, it will turn off. Hold and press the power button to turn it off all the way.